Today we're out here in an event called He Pūkoʻa Kani ʻāina, which focuses on centering community and our efforts to take care of Keaukaha coastline. We work yearly with Kumukaka Swain at Kauʻameke Ka'eo, and we work with the students there to grow corals over the year and take care of them, teach them about the local reefs here. This is really a celebration at the end of the year to celebrate all the hard work that the students have done over the year to take care of the coral.
It's mostly an event to connect with us and even other organizations that have the same goal as us, restoration.
It's just to bring what we did as a school with Kauʻameke Ka'eo and using all our hard work with growing corals, trying to get the ma'a to it and going out there and outplanting actually. So taking their ike and then giving it back to Puhi Bay.
They're being returned and glued onto a bigger coral and just returned to Puhi Bay so that we could have more corals and have more life come and live in the corals.
It was really fun. I've never done that before.
When you first start to see the keiki, they're like, oh, corals are just rocks. And then they get to this stage where they're really understanding the importance of ko'a and why we actually need to do this type of work here in Puhi. It's a good opportunity for the community to see how our work is affecting their ʻāina or what we're doing in their ʻāina and how we're giving back to them.
Hiki ke a'o i nona ko'a a me ka limu I ulu ai I ke kai hiki ke maopopo I ka ano ko'a ai ole limu I ke ai.
For us, just having the students out here and their ohana to take part in the celebration is a success for us. Our hope is that the relationships that we build through these events defines a success for us because it grows a generation of stewards in the future.